In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in Canva. If you've ever created a video presentation, an Instagram reel, or a promotional video in Canva and felt like something was missing, it was probably the audio. A good music track can make your content feel more polished, more engaging, and much more professional. The good news is that Canva makes this process very simple once you know where to look. To get started, make sure you open an actual video project first. This is important because Canva's audio tools only fully appear when you're inside a video-based design. From your dashboard, click Create a Design and choose a format like video, mobile video, or YouTube Short. If you already have a saved video project, you can simply open that instead. Once it loads, you should see your main editing canvas along with the timeline below. Next, move over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Elements. This opens Canva's asset library, where you can find all kinds of creative resources. Since we're focusing on music, you'll want to scroll through the panel until you find the audio section, then click See All. This helps you avoid searching through unrelated graphics and keeps you focused on soundtracks only. At the top of that panel, use the search bar to type in keywords that match the mood or style of your video. For example, you might search for something upbeat, calm, cinematic, or ambient, depending on the type of content you're making. The more specific your search, the easier it will be to find a track that fits the tone of your project. Before you add anything, take a moment to preview a few options. Hover over a track and click the play icon to listen. This is a helpful step because a song might sound great on its own, but still not match the pacing of your video. When you find one you like, click and drag it down into the timeline, placing it on the audio track beneath your video clips. Once the music is added, you can fine-tune it directly in the timeline. You'll see it appear as a purple audio bar. Click on it, then drag the ends to trim the track so it starts and ends where you want. This is especially useful if you only need part of the song or want it to line up with specific visuals. Finally, adjust the volume so the music supports your video instead of overpowering it. Open the audio settings and lower the volume to a subtle level, especially if your video includes voiceover. In many cases, keeping background music around 10 to 20% works well. When everything sounds right, click share or download in the top corner to export your finished video. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.